right. You know what, man? I tried to make a nice little magical Christmas video with my Crosley. And first all I got was a little bit of Jamaican sounding music, and now this. That song sucks. Let's take a band sweep. Rest in peace, Tom.
I'm going to be looking close.
In the way that left-wing progressives are publicly abusing Joe Manchin.
Whoa.
An age that I shouldn't be. But that is how I feel, and that is how...
Lot of electrical noise. Kyle's computing equipment's on the other side of this wall. Whoa.
No, Joseph, no.
Anyway, man. We tried. I'm going to grab you from the tripod. Hold on. Thanks for watching my silly stuff all year, guys. Blitzy and I will be back with the Heathkit HR-10B and DX-60A on New Year's Eve, 73.